All right, so now we're going to talk about following a consistent workout plan and how that can benefit your exercise and fitness regimen. There are many different ways that you can use to be more consistent and achieve greater results with your fitness. Let me tell you about a few. First, the best way that you can keep yourself accountable and to stay intrinsically motivated would be to set goals. Goals are so powerful on so many levels. For example, let's say your goal is to be able to go to spin class 4 times a week, or let's say your goal is to increase your 1 rep max by 20% in 1 year's time. So both are definitely attainable goals, just totally different, right? But everyone has different goals that they can set for themselves. But just by setting those goals, it gives you something to look forward to and gives you those motivations that you need day by day. There are so many times where you tell yourself, oh, I'm tired, you know, I had a long day at work, I feel, you know, I'm sick, whatever it is. There's always going to be something mentally that's going to kind of bring you down. But if you push through that and you keep your goals in your mind, it really, really helps you to push forward. Another way is you can get a workout buddy. So getting a workout buddy is very powerful because it keeps you accountable and it keeps you motivated to keep going to the gym. So if you know that you're going to meet your friend on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you kind of feel a sense of responsibility that you don't want to let your friend down. And also, another benefit of having a workout partner is you really push yourself, because in a way, you kind of want to, you know, secretly maybe you want to impress your friend, or you want to, you want to make sure that they view you highly. This is just human nature. Also, when speaking about a workout partner, it's very important that you get a workout partner that is similar, but actually it's even better if you can get a workout partner that is just slightly above your level. So that way you're actually going to improve a lot more. And to the other person, it's beneficial as well because it gives them a consistent workout partner, and in a way they can act as a mentor, which is beneficial to them as well. Probably the most important aspect of following a consistent workout plan is that it lets you and it allows you to achieve the greatest results. Because when you're consistent with your workout plan, your body is just going to keep improving and improving and improving. And once you plateau, so plateau, you know, everyone's been there, they've hit the plateau, they think to themselves, oh, I've been doing this for 6 weeks, but I haven't improved my strength, or, you know, I haven't gotten better at whatever that may be. But actually, when you stay consistent and you just make a few different adjustments, say you increase the weight or you increase the frequency, right? This is going to help you push through that plateau and achieve greater and greater and greater results. And at the end of the day, that's what we all want. We all want to look better, feel better, have better lives. So being consistent and following a routine, getting a workout partner, and just in general, being there, just showing up. You know, a lot of people say that 90% of life is showing up. So if you use these strategies, I'm sure that this will really, really help you in your fitness and health goals going on in the future. Let me know what you think.